Welcome to lesson 94, rounding decimal numbers to the nearest whole number. Now you've done some rounding and estimating before in this class, and I'm sure you have in previous grades as well, but let me give you one little reminder. When you get a number that you need to round, you only have two options for your answers. It either is going to go up, or it either is going to stay down to the number that it already is at. So example, 5.5 or 5.5. It either is going to go up to 6 or down to 5. It doesn't go down to 4. Okay? So if you have $10.17, it either is going to go up to $11 or down to $10. 50-50 shot every time. You only have two answers to choose from. Okay? So in this lesson, you're rounding to the nearest whole number. I like to do a little method like this. Here's three numbers, $4.65, $7.19, and 11.09, 11 and 900ths. And they want you to round to the whole number, right? Sometimes they ask you to round to the nearest tenth, or hundredth, thousandth, or hundreds. Today you're rounding to the nearest whole. So here I have 4 wholes in 65 hundredths, 7 wholes in 19 hundredths. So I circle the number I am looking for, the number I need to round. And then I look after the number after it. So the number after it, I underline. So I have 4 is the number I'm rounding to, and then I look at the 6. 7 is the number I'm rounding to, and I look at the 1. The number after tells me if I'm going to go up or if I'm going to stay at that level. The magic number you're looking for is 5. 5 tells you to go up. So like earlier I said $4.50 or $5.50, right? The 50 cents, 5 is in the middle, you would go up. It's closer to 5, okay? So here I have a 6. Is that of 5 or above? Yes. So that tells me that the number in front is going to go up. And everything after it becomes zeros. So now my answer is not $4.65. It is $5. And that is saying that $4.65 is closer to $5 than it is to $4. Right? Let's try it here. The 1 is definitely lower than the 5, so it tells me to go down. So this number 7 stays a 7, doesn't go down to a 6, and the numbers after it become 0, so my answer is $7. Let's try it with this number. Now this has 2 digits, but the nearest whole is right here, the first whole number, okay? And the number after it is a 0. Really, really low, right? So it's going to tell me to keep that number a 1, and these become zeros. So now I'm at 11.0, or 11.00 if you would like, okay? Basically, 11.09 is closer to 11 than it is to 12, right? Okay, if you have questions about rounding decimal numbers, come and see me. You can think a lot of them, like the top 2, are like money. Look at it as money and round. Find out if it's 5 or above, round up. If it's 4 or below, then keep the number the same at the level it's at and change the numbers to 0 that follow that whole number that you're looking for. If you have questions, come and see me and I'd be glad to help. Thanks.